Powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from Mica Parktown North, Johanesburg.
My partner and I opened this store in 2021, and since then we've grown to over 30 employees, and we're trying to establish a little community.
With the period of time that the store has been open, since the customers, they experience the service we give them, they keep on coming back to the store, and we strive our best to give them ongoing service and always having stock of our products.
I've been coming to Mica now for a while, since they've opened, and just enjoyed their knowledge of their products, and they go over and beyond the call of duty when I need things.
Your number one shop that is here at Parktown North Mica, of which we've got all varieties of Plascon. And Plascon has never disappointed, so it's very fast, efficient. They do almost everything, so we working good with them.
Plascon is known by everyone. It's been there for years. Even my old man will tell you about Plascon.
I will go with Mica Tex, their outdoor paint, because it's just easy. They have so many colors. If someone comes in and they don't really know what they want, it's easy to take them down the Mica Tex aisle and say, these are our colors. This will definitely last the distance.
DIY tip, even if you are in the industry or you think you know what you're doing, it's always worth it to read the instructions.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.